So guys, welcome to my news channel. Channel ni bukas CBN shortcut ba chini borong ni nangmani. Jeng tini norong no pula no sanani sekang norong no kaisa request kejogo ani ot channel no subscribe share te comments khainani bangai tam inba norong notification click hai to ni kain kai dati tam updates man abo norong nugui manai. So जों अखौनो चया करे लेया करे जों तिनी मेन टपिक थानाय जों तिनी आगरतला जब्स नि बागै बा तिनी त्रिपुरा जब्स नि बागै फाइतंगो सेंटर must be आगरतला वरगो ओंगै मानो बा त्रिपुरा नि जैसा एरिया फानो मानो जों आरो पुलेनो माने तिनी सीनियर एग्जीक्यूटिव ट्रेनिंग लोकेशन नंगनाय तिनी त्रिपुरा व jobs गांगाय full jobs criteria नरनो साना सानाय graduate within minimum 5-7 বছর relevant experience training Lebanon's performance should have been handling experience effective international bilateral written communication skill my cox hanani narok bengali hindi etc take english tona nangai willingness to travel across location all over india expensive ability to work autonomously and to take initially performance use ms office microsoft office word ngai powerpoint outlook nps and various learning MPR development technologies will help candidates for Tripura. Location kai Tripura Simia Asamago Umano Matini boys nangnai within 32 years sorry. The location jobs ni Tripura Assam. Naro contact hina gangai jobs at the rent bfscapital.in borobai na aro jobs ni bangi kok salai mano abon pore tekaisa katal jobs tongo NEGD location Tripura high no high tam no tona nangnai job profile support UIDA mo ecosystem partners mane adani ecosystem partner ro nang aro job apply khai adoptions and roll out of other authentication service provide on-site support. The 50 districts financial includes pilot rollout extend support the project implement ground level provide support for post of field level support and issues resolution through licensing governance and deployment applications. Borona hangai otherwise support official mo job phaijaka. Skills nanya freshers ngana rimano qualification nangnai BE BTech MCA BCA BSc computers with diploma DUEC system but development GNET etc experience ni must be tona nangnai 4 থেকে 6 বছর জরা নিনি experience tona nangnai tam hongka managing IT software hardware platform support software application web development and user support any certification technical support CCNA MCSE OCP extra tongkang khaino abuni experience tongkang khaino nang riwi manai mong khai governments ni mane full government ya e-governments ni hoitai job talangjago financial service bo tongnai other development norokno oron nai mane ang norokno link di nai send khai norok o jaga ani bai o check khai di abon pore te kaisa jobs norokno nukjaka area sales manager Bye tiles and sanitary ware Agartala Tripura norok aro chin borok graduate klai maknan o klai tongman chlai aro apply kai norok job ro rimano so pay nglai 15000 to 20000 per month job type permanent shift and schedule fixed shifts abo borok shift kai nai norok no time bon company o join kai kangai full job description norok nukmano the area salesman is responsible for driving sales ground with and man M mane male it penetrate the energizing team sales response ties building maintenance system meeting cities sales kebangma tongo norok oro jottano nai porimanai ang norok jottano description di nai description ni mani bisingtei norok nai akoi borok contact khai nangko norok kok sai mano bahai kai norok apply dinai o link o hapkang no norok apply now rika no